today's, tomorrow's, and day after tomorrow's first reading is from the book of Ezra. And to understand today's reading, we must go back to the history of Israel. David's son Solomon had built a large, beautiful temple in Jerusalem. Solomon died, his sons ruled. They too died. And later on, the people of Israel were filled with pride because they are the chosen race, chosen people. And instead of remaining faithful to Lord God, they went up away to other gods. So God got angry with his people. And he made use of the king of Babylon, Nebuchadnezzar. Nebuchadnezzar came to Jerusalem 587 years before Christ, BC. Destroyed that temple, took away all the gold, silver, vessels, took the people of Israel as captives, as slaves. Only poor farmers and a few skilled workers were left behind. He took them to his capital, Babylon. Babylon is in modern Iraq. There these people of Israel were slaves for 50 years. He died.